This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen. This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Ram engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.